Hi, Barry Cross. In today's how to use Safelists for affiliate marketing, leads, and sales, I'm going to, in the next few minutes, use email marketing to email out to 550,000 prospects. So I'll talk through each of the platforms as I go through them. This one's Hercules. I'm going to go on Submit Ad. So I've auto-populated the emails because I don't want to get logged out of each one. But Hercules has got now 300, almost approaching 320,000 members. And the great thing about these websites, these traffic resources, is that they include tier one traffic and buyers, and it's a pre-built audience for you. So I started out with Hercules. It's just loading up now. While that's loading up, we'll go into the next one. I'm going to go into My Lead Gen Secret and Mailing System. My Lead Gen Secret is where you get, I'll select all, 100 to 200 leads every day. You'll see here I'm going to email out to 147,600 today. And if I go back onto here, let's go into, I was going to show you some proof there, but I'll just show you how easy this is first. I'm going to promote my YouTube channel on this one. So I'm going to click load. This is going to go out. Going to click perfect time, and it pre-populates all your existing emails. Perfect timing is just where it means that your prospect is going to have more chance of opening it with the time difference. I'm going to always recommend clicking preview, check your affiliate links. We're going to send email. My Lead Gen Secret is 100% tier one traffic. It does include buyers. I've gone through that in other previous videos. Let's see if the Hercules is loaded now. Right, let's reload that again. What's happening there with Hercules? I'll come back to that in a minute. European Safe List. This one here is in the top 10 safe lists. I'm going to email out today to 17,000. So what I recommend you do is I started out for free with these, and I recommend even as a free member you can promote these traffic sites and earn commissions. So 17,805, and I started out for free. That's gone out. Let's see what's happening with Hercules again. Not quite sure what's happening with that today. Let's try and reload that. And the next one we're going to look at is Proactive Mailer. I love Proactive Mailer because the owner, Phil, what he does, he cleans out his list every week. 2,870 prospects today. And so you're only going to be promoting your offer to prospects that are going to actually see it. So if the members of this safe list confirm your site, if the members of this safe list don't actually stay active, then your offer won't get promoted. So that's why he calls it Proactive Mailer. That's because it's full of active members. I've just joined Land Marketing Mailer recently. I like this one because it's 80% USA traffic. I'm going to do this, promote every 3 days to this one, 3,000 today. And that's send on there. And again, you've got to verify so what you'll see here is I'm promoting the click engine lead capture page, confirm the site. So what I'm doing is I'm promoting, I'm using lead capture pages, and I'm taking the prospects from the safe list onto my own list. This is Mr. Safe List. I'm going to give you a free ebook at the end of this video that's going to teach you how to use these sites correctly and be successful with them. I'm going to click send on that one. Mr. Safe List has been around for about 15 years. The next one is Pangea, which is one of Marianne Meyer's websites. I joined this as a one-off payment. There's not a monthly subscription for this one. Marianne Meyer's has been delivering traffic for, I think, about 15 years or maybe longer now. I'm going to do 10,000 there, send the email ad. So the great thing about these um, Safelists and email marketing is you've got a pre-built audience already done for you. And then what I recommend you do is you spend a percentage of your state-of-the-art mail has got 30,000 members, send email now. You spend a percentage of your promotions promoting traffic, because then you can earn some commissions. Everyone needs traffic. Use the sites yourself to make sure you're getting good results. And then once you get results, you can recommend them to others. This is Darren Orlando's site here. He's been marketing for over 15 years. He's a traffic expert. Let's send that one there. And then what I did is I promoted traffic sites. And then what I did is I reinvested some of my commissions to upgrade to reach a larger audience. That's the key. That's the key strategy, is to start whatever offer you're promoting, put it in front of a larger audience every single month. List Surfing is another one of Darren Orlando's. Some of these I can email every day. You see, I'm promoting Click Engine. Some of these I promote. I can use every day. Some of these I'm upgraded where I can email out every 3 days. But even every 3 days is better than surfing for credits and reaching a lot. Once you upgrade, you start to reach more people and more numbers. Send mail there. In Achieve another one of Darren Orlando's sites. And again, you'll see I'm promoting Click Engine there. So let's see if we can go back to Hercules, see what's happening here with Hercules. That's not playing ball today. So, but Hercules, if I just open a new window here and type in Hercules.com, Hercules is one of the first ones that I joined and started to earn commissions from. Hercules is probably the fastest growing of all the Safelists. You can advertise 7 different ways. It's got a traffic exchange in there. Hercules taking a long time to load today. I don't know what's wrong with it. But if you go onto my channel, you'll see all my Hercules reviews. And there's almost 320,000 members within Hercules. So this ebook here, there'll be a link in the description to all of these sites that I've shown you today. I started out surfing for free. I started out surfing for credits, and that's how I cross-promoted these platforms and earned commissions. But this ebook here will teach you step by step. It's by Jerry Iannucci. He's the owner of Mr. Safelist, and he'll teach you here how to become successful. He's an absolute grandmaster at Safelists marketing. He's been doing it about 15 years, and he's probably the best Safelists marketer on the internet. So the link in the description will take you to this ebook here. It's totally free. It's a free download, and then you can learn from a grandmaster on how to become successful with Safelists and email marketing. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. So I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support me on my YouTube journey and help the growth of my channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and click the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently I've got now, I'm doing several new videos every week, and there's nearly 900 videos on the channel. So if you've got any questions at all about Safelists or email marketing, or building this larger and growing audience every single month, then please leave those questions below in the comments, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And all the links will be in the description to get more information or join any of these traffic sources. And my email address will also be in the description if you want some one-to-one mentoring from me, or if you'd like if you want any questions or on anything related to affiliate marketing. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.